Hey guys, all right. Welcome to my show. You are very welcome. And thank you very much for watching my show. Hey guys, today I'm gonna make delicious food. All right, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Hey guys, look my table. How beautiful, colorful. All right. Your table can be beautiful and colorful. All right, guys? All right. Hey, guys, I'm going to do today rice. That's right, rice. A lot of people doesn't know how to do rice. You know, a lot of friends of mine have been asking me, why don't you do rice? Because I don't know how to do rice. And it's very easy to do it. All right? Hey, guys, if you want a good food, you're gonna need a very good recipe, all right? Don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel, all right? I'll be right here. All right, guys, let's go. Very good. I'm gonna tell you exactly what I have on my table, all right? I have 3 tablespoons of salt. I have the whole head of garlic. I have a 1/4 cup of oil. You guys can use any oil you want. Very good. Also, I have 5 cups of white rice. You guys can use any rice you want it. All right. And also, I have 10 cups of water. All right, guys. Very good. When you do rice, if you're gonna make 3 cups of rice, you have to double. All right? You got it? All right, guys. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Hey, guys, would you like to cook with me? All right, guys, let's go. Very good. My pan, it's preheat. All right? I'm going to start now with my oil. Very good. All right. Bingo! Very good, guys. All right. Very good. All right. So my next step, it's gonna be my garlic. All right. Don't be afraid to use garlic. Garlic is always good. All right, and bring the flavor together. All right. Very good. All right. Let's cook these babies. All right. And I will be right back. All right, guys. Time to check. All right. My garlic, it's getting brown. All right. Medium high. All right, so now I'm ready for my next step. All right, so my next step now, it's gonna be my rice. All right, very good. Very good. All right, let's stir this a little bit. All right, you have to saute the rice. All right, the rice have to saute very well so the garlic penetrate in the rice, right, before you pour the water. All right, that's when the colors and the flavor comes together, guys. All right, very good. I'll be right back. All right, guys, time to check. Very good. All right, so my rice is sauteed already. All right, looks good. And it smells all over my kitchen. Very good. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Now, I'm ready for my water. Very good. All right. Another one. Very good. All right. This has to be cooked medium high, all right, to absorb the water. All right. Now I'm ready for my salt. Very good. So you always have to pay attention, okay? As the water is getting disappear, and you have to stir. All right, keep checking, all right? Not to stack in the bottom, all right? I'll be right back. All right, welcome back. Very good. Time to check, right? Don't cover until the water is almost disappeared, all right? So time to check. Very good. Nothing is stuck in the bottle, all right? Very good. The water start to evaporate, all right? So let this cook for like 1 more minute, and after that I'm gonna cover, all right? And I'll be right back. All right, my water is being evaporated, not 100%, you guys can see. Look, now it's time to cover, all right? Now it's time to cover and let cook. It's gonna be good, it's gonna taste good. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, my rice is cooking, all right? Now it's time to reduce the heat, all right? Medium, low medium, all right? But don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Very good. Hey, guys, time to check. I almost forgot. All right, very good. Sheesh. It's almost ready. All right, very good, guys. Now you have to flap, all right? Like that. Very good. All right, the rice is cooked. Very good, guys. It's looking good. All right. Hey, guys, I'm gonna let this cook for 5 more minutes, all right? And I'll be right back. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey, guys. All right, very good. Hey, guys, I'm gonna show you the final product. All right, very good. Here you go. This is the rice, well made. This is the pork and loin. I did separate, not for the show. And also, I have the beans. With rice, you guys can eat wherever you want it. You can eat with the stew. You can eat with chicken. You can eat with beef. Wherever you want. All right? But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, let's go. Hey, guys, you have to try this recipe. I'm sure you gonna be happy today and forever. All right, guys, but don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, guys. All right, very good, guys. Cheers.